How are you? Welcome to this session. My name is Benson Nyota, an instructor in Africa Data School. Today we'll be looking at a particular IDE, which is an online where you have to you. It's an amazing integrated development environment, which now is based on web browser, where anytime that you want to learn your code, you can learn it on a web browser. So the first thing that you have to do is sign up. And if you've already signed up, you just log into your account for you to be able to access that particular account. So with that, for logins, you just have to enter your email and enter your password, or else you can sign up if you are not yet signed up in this particular Replit. So the good thing about Replit is that whenever you log in, you get more information and it updates you on what's new, and you can be able to explore more as you continue with your Replit. And the far end on this particular line, you get a pane where it has a lot of features to look at. They are the home, where now you get to your home dashboard, or else you can get to templates to be able to look at various aspects or various types of templates that you can work on if you are a beginner. And also your repos that you already created. Else you can be able to join a community if you're interested. You can be able to adjust and customize your dashboard into a different way, or even your interface into the preference of your choice at this particular point. Also, you can join a team so that you can be able to collaborate and continue working on it. The other featured in the Replit, where now it gives you more information. If you are interested, you can be able to look at the diversity when it comes to Replit. Replit, the best thing about it is that it has a lot of information. So we get now to the dashboard of your account. Well, now with this particular dashboard, you are bridged now, you can be able to create even another project. And for you to be able to start a project, you need to create a repo. Anytime that you are interested or you want to create a project, you create a repo, which is very efficient. And with that, whenever you click create repo, it gives you now a prompt where you choose what kind of language will you be using. So it gives you an way, or it gives you an accessibility for you to be able to scroll down and get to choose the exact language that you'll be dealing with. The other aspect is now naming the repo for you to be able to remember and be able to share it with other people, where you can now get to, we look at this, we'll put it as a first Replit. And with that, we can create our first project by clicking create repo. With that, now it gives us to this particular interface where we have, this is the test editor where you key in your codes, and we have console and shell, and this is where now you get the output, or it returns what you coded in this particular text editor. So basically, this is what you are dealing with. It is a nice platform where it's a lot of information. At the below, at the far right, at the far left, at this particular point, there are other tools that you can interact with in your way as you continue. Then now you can code, or you can write your first code. This is my print hero for you to be able to see, or for you to be able to see, execute it and see the output in your console. This is the best thing about Replit, is that they give it suggestions and even creates more easier environment for you to code, because it gives you some suggestions you can key in and even get reminded of what you are supposed to do. So after writing this particular code, you are supposed to learn it with this particular magic button on top of here, where you can click the control enter for you to be able to learn it to the console. And whenever you click now the learn button, you get now the output of this particular code. So typically, this is the best thing about Replit. It gives you quite an easy way for you to be able to code. And the other things that you can work with the Replit include now in comments. If it's a comment you are dealing with, you just start your line with a hashtag, and with that, the Replit itself understands automatically that that is a comment, and it's supposed not to give it at the output pane. And you get to see that it didn't like the comment, just output the other commands that you had keyed in earlier on by Hello World and above is a comment without now indicating this particular code. That's not the best about Replit. It is convenient. It is fantastic. Even when it comes to operation, it really operates like any other IDE that you have interacted with. There is a lot of information you get to see, including operations where you can get to assign variables, and you can even have to, you can pass in some operations that can occur in a Replit. Typical Replit, that much of it. And if it comes to deployment, you can be able to deploy your project and showcase what exactly you have done. That's all about Replit, where you can get to try it and get to familiarize yourself, maybe even try more. Thank you for watching.